JulieJuu TV. So there ya make come say we share JulieJuu TV. But more than subscribe to your channel no. Like and share na comment. They pussy me music step no. Subscribe to JulieJuu TV or Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and a JulieJuu TV official, Cantata TV nina as well. Sabre yeah that's why I Ghana party in the park. Na obika was baba medium pay angel money transfer. Sabre omo ho na ye wo. Enti ye ni mi aba fe be bonkomo. Na fe pay angel omo adwuma ompote omo ye no. Wa chechire mu e de a che adofo. Ma me ma akwa baba JulieJuu TV so.
Thank you.
Kase ma me kakra wa say. Aha. Your friend was a bo din na chechire pay angel.
Okay, but you're from Nanaba, Medasi, so over pay and money transfer app. I'll bet me I download it from Play Store or App Store. You will and good for your app, so to say free life insurance. You can pay a quintuple on it as well. And I will so we educare. You bet me to with no stress. No, but pay angel dear and one the best money transfer app that you can get. Thank you.
If I saw church, my choir over first over to me and your app no.
Okay.
Now would the transfer? Said the choir first transfer no.
Okay. But first of all, so we'll call app or Play Store depending on phone I will use to know. We'll call now I'm type PAYANGEL pay angel. Oh, I bought for it. Well, so we'll download the app. Now we follow prompts. Maybe saw a few details. Now I feel it. We'll bet me I send it instantly. Well, so we want the own you see your ID now. You are able to send about £500 on the spot, like for a month. What I say? And Timmy Damwasi. And I understand what we call app or Play Store. Now I download it.
Okay, much charge.
Oh, we're free and charge a share. Yeah, and charge a share. And it's smooth. Your customer service for us so 24 hours, and we are very helpful. We are very sweet people too. It's very worry. What issue now about pay angel? We got you sorted.
Now me do some more remit care be. Person church and most
okay, so I know your life insurance I make earlier on. So I know your more send at least £100 a month. And no, over to me, I dedicate to one person. I so say, oh, as you see, or you may dependent in say we have no answer say. You bet me a mouse car. I'll bet me a sorting out of the hospital and I said BBC. You bet me a mouse car to say you bet in every hospital. So pay angel there and one so be a down.
Yo, mommy, yeah, that's it. I don't format it. I mean, was it na download the pay angel money transfer. Na shas yes send usika. If I kokoma adofo, ewo Ghana. Mommy, she adofo ni enkwe.
Madam wasi bebre. Pacho, nyamire fine say. Your African countries bebre. So if you find yourself in, let's say, Nigeria, Kenya, Uganda, and all those things, and you want to do a money transfer or take money from your account, over to me, AUC pay angel. Now wait to me, I or transfer. Me share me aunties, me uncles. Obia, ya me share munina, me do munina.
Okay, bye bye.
£7. Say a good deal.
Don't worry, I'll come and interview you later.